There are moments in life when everything feels heavy, when the road ahead seems endless, and the light you once followed begins to fade. In those moments, most people lose hope. But a few, they rise. Not because life got easier, but because they found the courage to continue. If you're going through something difficult right now, listen carefully. This message is for you. Today, let's talk about how to motivate yourself in difficult situations. Number 1. Accept the situation. Don't fight reality. The first step is acceptance. Pain becomes suffering only when we refuse to accept it. When we keep saying, why me, why now, we give our pain more power. Instead, take a deep breath and say, yes, this is difficult, but I'm still here. The moment you accept reality, your healing begins. Because acceptance doesn't mean weakness, it means strength. It's the moment you stop fighting reality and start working with it. Number 2. Remember why you started. When the path feels too hard, go back to your why. Why did you start this journey? Why did you dream that dream? The fire that began your journey still lives inside you. Maybe smaller, maybe quieter, but it's still there. Don't let a bad moment make you forget how far you've already come. Every scar is proof that you survived, and every failure is proof that you tried. Number 3. Take one step at a time. When the mountain looks too high to climb, don't look at the top, just take one step. Motivation isn't a feeling you wait for. It's something you build with action. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Small steps lead to big change. Wake up, breathe. Do one small thing that brings you closer to peace. Even the smallest step forward in darkness is progress. Number 4. Change the voice inside your head. Sometimes your biggest enemy isn't outside, it's inside. That voice that says, you can't do this, you are not enough. When that voice speaks, don't argue with it. Replace it. Say, I've been through worse and I am still standing. Say, I am growing, I am learning, I am becoming. Speak to yourself the way you'd speak to someone you love. The words you repeat become the reality you live. Number 5. Learn from the pain. Every difficulty carries a hidden lesson. Sometimes life breaks you, not to destroy you, but to shape you into something stronger. Your pain has a purpose, you just haven't seen it yet. The wound you feel today may become the wisdom you share tomorrow. So instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what is this trying to teach me? Number 6. Believe that this too shall pass. No storm lasts forever. No night stays without a dawn. The pain you feel right now will fade. The confusion will clear. You've survived every storm before you'll survive this one too. And one day you'll look back and realize that these difficult moments were building your strength silently. So hold on, even when it hurts, even when you don't see the way, because faith is believing in the light before it appears. A monk once said, when life gets too hard to stand, kneel and breathe. In your weakest moment, don't search for motivation outside. Search within. Everything you need is already inside you. You are not broken. You are being reborn. So whenever life gets tough, remember pain is temporary, but your strength is forever. You have survived 100% of your worst days. Already you can survive this too. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs a little light today. And remember, keep growing, keep believing, and keep moving forward. This is Mount Vibe reminding you that peace begins within.